How to install and function test a ZKL 3000 RC. Before installing a ZKL 3000 RC, there are a few things you need to do. Conduct a pre-site installation survey, if required by local instruction. If you are operating the device manually, it doesn't need to be in a released project on MT Info 3000. If you are operating the device remotely, it must be in a released project on MT Info 3000 before it can be installed. Check that you have all of the required components as shown here. The installation of the ZKL 3000 RC must take place within a line blockage, adhering to local safety regulations. All installations must take place in a wheels-free environment. When installing the ZKL 3000 RC, you need to remove the ballast from under the foot of any rail. This is in preparation to allow the power cable to pass under the running rail. Please take extra care in DC conductor rail areas, adhering to all safety regulations. Install the cable clip to the foot of the rail. Always make sure there is a minimum of 30mm clearance between the bottom of the ZKL 3000 RC and the top of the ballast bed. Make sure you clean any contamination from the web of the rail using a wire brush, a grinder, or another approved method. This allows better contact between the ZKL 3000 RC and the rail, therefore reducing maintenance visits in the future. This is battery slot 1, and this is battery slot 2. You need to install the backup battery into battery slot 1. Feed the power cable under the web of the rail, clipping the cable to pre-installed cable clip housing. The power cable adapter should be inserted into battery slot 2. Now lock the battery compartment. Now insert the power adapter plug into the main battery and tighten it. Remember that extra care needs to be taken in DC conductor rail areas. If you're using a solar panel, connect it to the main battery. You may wish to place the main battery within the BBX. For more information, go to How to Install the Ballast Box BBX video. Once this has been completed, you are ready to deploy the ZKL 3000 RC. The installer should be stood within the 4 foot holding the device. At this point, double-check that the key switch is in the on overruled position whilst liaising with the signaler. To install the device, you first need to open the silver locking cover on the front. Now unlock the device by squeezing the latch with your hand, like this. Check the device is at a right angle to the rail and situated between 2 sleepers. You can now close the silver locking cover on the front. Position the ZKL 3000 RC in an A shape, with the contact points touching the foot of the running rails on either side of the 4 foot. You will need to push down with your hands until the device locks itself into the track. Be careful to keep your fingers away from trap points by using a flat palm placed on top of the device. Check the green LED is flashing twice per second and confirm with the signaler that the track circuit is showing occupied. Once you've confirmed with the signaler track circuit is showing occupied, put the key switch in the off overruled position and confirm with the signaler that the track circuit is now showing clear. Turn the key switch to off operational, enabling you to activate the device remotely. Again, confirm with the signaler that the track circuit is showing occupied. The detection quality must be 80% or above. Check the detection quality within real-time status. Now deactivate the device remotely and confirm with the signaler that the track circuit is showing clear. Now you need to remove the key. leaving the key position in operational, and place the keycap over the keyhole. Install the locking clamp and apply the padlock to secure the device in place like so. You must not hand the line block back until the locking clamp is in place. You now need to install the 4 bypass clamps to the foot of the rail. When everyone is in a position of safety, you may hand the line block back in line with your company standards and/or local instructions. If you need further guidance or instruction on how to use the device, Joule Inventive offers support on-site, over the phone, or online. Call us on 03300 169 033 or email support@jouleinventive.co.uk.